I'm Lynn.
And we're the alumni of TAS.
Hey TAS, I am Jared. I'm Bob. And I'm Johnny. We are the alumni of TAS.
Hi, my name is Loy. I'm a former student of TAS.
I think the school has a lot of new changes in a very positive way. There are new teachers, new school facilities, and overall it's very cool.
And there are also a lot of new students coming into TES, and it's also very exciting to see the new learning environment. And also the CEO of the school has contributed a lot to TES, especially the upgraded facilities and other learning environment education overall.
I have seen the school improve a lot, the facilities, the teacher, and everything is so good. And it looks a lot beautiful. That's what I see.
And I wish TAS a happy new year and 15 years anniversaries.
I hope they get more innovative, and I hope we grow the community larger together as a family.
Yay! The school's 15th anniversary. We want to say many thanks, many wishes for the school with new students, more excellent teachers coming in, and a lot of luck with how the school managed, how the school runs.
And we hope that future students will try their best, strive for excellence, and just have fun.
So I wish our school, my old school, for their 15th anniversary, more success, and to be a top school in Ho Chi Minh City or furthermore in Vietnam.